So, this is our mobile app, ready to use and provide help in these tough times of the pandemic. The app gives personalized diet plans for vulnerable population, explains the user about COVID-19 and other general terms related to it, and has many more features. The app has a minimal and user-friendly UI which can be operated by anyone from a 5-year-old kid to a 90-year-old adult. When a user opens the app, he or she needs to sign in with Google. After this, the homepage opens up. As you can see, the app has a lot of features for the user. These are activities like COVID-19 self-test, diet for infants and adults, 7-day routine for a healthy diet, World Corona Meter, and FAQs, and many more features which we will be talking about as we move further. The diet plan will be explained in the web page. The web page has many features like a chatbot to answer general queries, guide the user to get results more easily. It also shows world corona stats and has a newsletter subscription for the user. So let's start. First of all, we have a customized self-test to check whether the user is likely to be affected from COVID-19 or not. Based on the responses of the user, a warning is displayed. Let's see. The first question comes: do you have any of these health symptoms? Asthma, diabetes, chronic lung disease, heart disease, or pregnancy? I select no. The next question have you or someone in your family visited any foreign country in the last 14 days? Nope. Have you or someone in your family traveled within India in public transport and came in close contact with someone with cough, cold, fever and shortness of breath? No. Have you or any of your family member came in close contact with any COVID-19 patient? No. Do you have headache? No. Do you have fever? No. Do you have cough and cold? No. Do you have sore throat? No. Do you have shortness of breath? No. So, the app shows me that I am safe and have no risk of COVID-19 and prompts me to follow a diet plan. If I take the test again and select the responses, it shows me that I have low risk of COVID-19 and suggests me to self quarantine and visit a doctor. And finally, if I again take the test, it shows me that I have high risk of COVID-19 and prompts me to visit a doctor and call the helpline number. All the three test cases are based on the questions asked and the user response to it. Next, we have diet plan for adults and infants.
So here we are in our NutriFood section. Anybody dropping down here will find guidance from our side describing nutritious diet for the vulnerable population like elders and infant. These are the slides covering the healthy and balanced diet for the seniors. And these are the slides covering the same for the infants. These are the needs which we are covering to overcome the needs of the body. These basic diets, if someone follows, will give an edge to the health.
Exploring more here, we have diet plan section covering 7 days diet plan slide wise from day 1 to day 7. Each page consists of 6 meals a day which provide a perfect nutrition to our body to make ourselves enough strong so that antibodies have enough potential to fight to protect the body with any disease. Now let's go to the main page.
Welcome to NutriFriend. Here we can see in the tabs we have different options. We will be going through it, but before going further, let's explore our live COVID 19 page.
So, here we are in our COVID 19 live page, which provides global COVID 19 live stats for wide audience of caring people around the world. How we work: we collect and process data around the clock, 24 hours a day, and multiple updates per minute. And data of our meter update according to the official announcement is made anywhere around the world. Next, our chatbot. In the right side of the website, you will get a chatbot, and the name of our chatbot is NutriBot. If someone just wants to get a brief diet plan for vulnerable population, then he she can easily chat with our NutriBot.
These are some of the features of our app. An overview. This is the app gallery section. Here you can see many screenshots of our app. These are automatically sliding right to the left. Here we used some of the JavaScript library and plugins to make it work like that. Scrolling down, here we have our team members and hovering over the photos of them, you can see their names with their social media accounts. And here are some of words from them. So, not other than less, you can contact us for any query and suggestion using the contact page. That's all about our web page.
At the end of our website, you will find a pop-up to subscribe. Do subscribe it to get any update and newsletter related to our website NutriFriend.
Now we have a look on the 7-day routine. Here the app shows 7-day meal plan for the user to follow a balanced and healthy diet. The user can open the meal plan on the basis of days in week and follow the meals given. And once he or she finish having the meals, they can swipe the cards left or right like this and keep a note on the meals they completed and the meals left. Then we come to the World Coronameter, which takes us to this page displaying the number of coronavirus cases around the globe, deaths, and recover. Next up, we have FAQs to clear general thoughts and myths of a person. These are the FAQs we have collected from WHO's official website. Like on the first one, we have, can it be transmitted from person to person? The second one says, how could I become infected with this virus? The third one says, is there a vaccine for the novel coronavirus? And so on. There are all the way 10 FAQs which the user can see.
Okay, so now if we scroll further, the app shows symptoms and precautions to the user. If the user feels to have any similar symptoms in them, they can head over here and call the helpline number on tapping here. It's the user's local state helpline number, which is going to be 24/7 active. On this section here, the user can donate in the PM Cares Fund if he or she wants to donate on their will. The fund will be used to treat COVID-19 patients and help them by providing food and other necessary things. The next button opens up the screen which explains the user what is COVID-19. The third button opens up to explain the necessity of staying home and how it helps us and others staying away from getting affected from the deadly COVID-19. It explains the virus spreads through contact, infection may occur without close contact, lockdown reduces transmission, how the lockdown helped China, to control the pandemic and how lockdown helps government track and trace. The last button opens up our contact page and shows our team name and other contact details like email ID, Instagram ID, Twitter, and GitHub link. On tapping the cards, the users will be redirected to the respective ID on their phone or PC. And finally, the user can sign out if he or she wants. So this is all about our app. Thank you.